What's going on? So after replacing the water pump, it seems to still be overheating. So what I've decided is to replace the radiator with a performance radiator, not radio. Those are the fans I took off. There was 4 bolts that were pretty rusted. I used Freon to free them up, and then took off the top radiator, lower one, and then 2 bolts down there. So this radiator is coming out. And we also replaced this lower hose, which I saw a video that the lower hose was kind of squishing up when you would accelerate, and mine was doing that. So, and that's over here. So it was, when you would accelerate, it would like squish down. So we're thinking that there's either a clog in it or it's just plain old, but I don't know. So I'll put up an update once I get in there. We'll see it. So the radiator is out, and there's about 6 bird nests under there. Not literal bird nests, but bird nests nonetheless. Pretty rusted down there. Yeah, and that's, I'm pretty sure the transmission cooler, not sure. But just looking at this, that could be a factor. We're hoping. And then that's the new one. We'll see. So the radiator is in. Perfect fit. I lost the fan bolts like 3-4 times, so that's why it took so long. And there's the new water pump right there, all sparkly and clean. So let's start her up. Gotta put some water in it. I think we're looking good. Now I gotta drive it. Let's see. So, the overheating problem is solved. Turns out to be the radiator. As you can see, I'm putting through this light. You're supposed to be able to see clear through that. And look how clogged it is. Just straight clogged. Then there's also some major corrosion on the bottom of it. So, 91 Camaro, overheating solved. So now the next steps I'm taking is rotating the rotors and getting new brake pads. So those videos will be coming out shortly. We'll see ya. Overheating is fixed.